Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on basic trigonometric identities. Identities enable us to simplify the complicated expressions. They are the basic tools of trigonometry used in solving trigonometric equations. In this tutorial, we will work with the fundamental trigonometric identities. Reciprocal identities. Cosecant x is equal to 1 divided by sin x. From this, we can write sin x is equal to 1 divided by cosecant x. Secant x is equal to 1 divided by cosine x. From this, cosine x is equal to 1 divided by secant x. Cotangent x is equal to 1 by tangent x. From this, tangent x is equal to 1 divided by cotangent x. Quotient identities. Tangent x is equal to sin x divided by cosine x. Cotangent x is equal to cosine x divided by sin x. Identities for negatives. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Cosine of minus x is equal to cosine x. Tangent of minus x is equal to minus tangent x. Pythagorean identities. Sin square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cotangent square x is equal to cosecant square x. Now, using these basic trigonometric identities, we have to prove some of the given trigonometric identities. Example 1. Prove the identity cosine theta multiply with cosecant theta is equal to cotangent theta. To prove this identity, we consider the left hand side value, then we prove the right hand side value. So taking left hand side value is equal to cosine theta multiply with cosecant theta. By the reciprocal property cosine theta, we can write 1 divided by sin theta. From this, cosine theta multiply with 1 divided by sin theta. That is equal to cosine theta divided by sin theta. By quotient identity, cosine theta divided by sin theta is equal to cotangent theta. This is our required right hand side value. Therefore, cosine theta multiply with cosecant theta is equal to cotangent theta. Example 2. Prove the identity cotangent of minus x multiply with tangent of x is equal to -1. In this example also, we consider the left hand side value, that is equal to cotangent of -x multiply tangent of x. By using reciprocal quotient identities, cotangent of -x, we can write cosine of -x divided by sine of -x. Multiply with tan x, we can write by using quotient identity sin x divided by cosine x. So cosine of -x becomes cosine x by identities for negatives. Sine of -x becomes minus sin x. Multiply with sin x divided by cosine x. From this, sin x and cosine x will be cancelled. We will get -1. This is our required right hand side value. Hence we can conclude cotangent of -x multiply with tangent of x is equal to -1. Example 3. Prove the identity 1 plus sin x divided by cosine x plus cosine x divided by 1 plus sin x is equal to 2 multiply secant x. We consider the left hand side value 1 plus sin x divided by cosine x plus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. Here we can consider the least common multiple, that is cosine x multiply 1 plus sin x. Then 1 plus sin x multiply with 1 plus sin x, it becomes 1 plus sin x whole square plus cosine x multiply cosine x, it becomes cosine square x. If we observe the numerator 1 plus sin x whole square, we use the formula a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square 1 plus 2ab, 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply sin x, so sin x, plus b square sin x whole square, so sin square x, plus cosine square x divided by cosine x multiply with 1 plus sin x. If we observe this, sin square x plus cosine square x becomes 1 by Pythagorean identity. So 1 plus 2 sin x plus 1 divided by cosine x multiply 1 plus sin x. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 plus 2 sin x divided by cosine x multiply 1 plus sin x. In the numerator, 2 take it common, so here 1 plus sin x divided by cosine x multiply 1 plus sin x. In numerator 1 plus sin x, denominator 1 plus sin x will be cancelled. We will get 2 divided by cosine x. That is 2 multiply 1 by cosine x. By reciprocal identity, 1 by cosine x becomes secant x. This is our required right hand side value. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to basic trigonometric identities. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. Prove the following identities. First one, sin theta multiply with secant theta is equal to tangent theta. Second one, cotangent of minus x multiply with tangent of minus x is equal to 1. Third problem, 1 plus cosine x divided by sin x plus sin x divided by 1 minus cosine x is equal to 2 multiply cosecant x.